Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making flourless peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. Who needs the flour? I don't, you don't. You can make a traditional peanut butter cookie, but this comes together so quickly without that flour. You mix all the ingredients, throw it onto your cookie sheet. Okay, we're not throwing it on, we're really making tablespoons, but still. Get it on your cookie sheet and then into the oven, and that is it. And then you can feel good that you didn't have any flour in your cookie, and that makes it so much better. Well, yeah, it might. Peanut butter and chocolate go together perfectly, so this cookie is bound to be fantastic. But we're also making it because I can smile with you. Because we're making cookies. I can say yum, I can sure hum, I can sing all day long. Eating cookies, keyword is mum. Because we don't have to talk about all the cookies we might eat. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Peanut butter, brown sugar, baking soda, salt. I'm adding an optional splash of espresso powder. This is a teaspoon, but feel free to leave out. Beat until well blended. Egg. Vanilla. Blend until incorporated. Chocolate chips, which will be enhanced by the espresso flavor if you added it. Stir until combined. Use a tablespoon scoop or 2 tablespoons. Flatten them with a glass just a little bit, or you could use your hand as well. I'm going to give the glass a try. Into the oven for 8 to 10 minutes, and then you're going to let them cool directly on the pan. You want to make sure that the cookies don't start to get brown on the edges, so pull them before that, 8 to 10 minutes. Time is up. Let's take them out. They've just started to look like they were going to get brown on the edges, so I am pulling them. Let them cool directly on the pan. These cookies look and smell so good and peanut buttery. And look at the back.